from 1958 to 2026 as the global polymer materials industry thrives. Jiangsu Victor Machinery has been deeply engaged in plastic machinery for over 60 years. We have witnessed and driven the leapfrog development of the plastic machinery industry in China and worldwide, forging excellent quality with professionalism and perseverance. As an innovative, high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales, and service, Victor Machinery is always committed to providing global customers with high-quality, customized polymer material processing solutions. Our products are sold to more than 50 countries and regions. The company's main products include injection blow molding machines, precision IBM molds, extrusion and calendaring production lines, etc., widely used in pharmaceutical and healthcare food and daily chemical, packaging, environmental filtration, 5G communication, aerospace and defense. Victor MSZ series injection blow molding machine adopts an innovative horizontal 3-station integrated design, preform injection, blow molding, bottle ejection, and demolding are fully automated in one machine. It enables efficient, clean, high-quality production of packaging containers from standard models, hybrid models, all-electric models, to industry-specific models. We offer customization on demand, accurately matching diverse scenarios. Victor Precision Molds achieve full process collaborative development from product design mold structure to bottle cap adaptation and multi-material compatibility. High precision automated production lines run 24/7. Backed by a massive mold trial database, we provide professional process support. Victor's FFD series extrusion and calendaring production lines stand at the forefront of new material processing. We achieve micron-level precision control, exploring the application boundaries of new materials. Victor integrates digital technology with lean management, building a fully transparent smart factory. Rely on advanced technologies such as 5G, private network, IoT, and AI algorithms. The system realizes full link, data visibility, controllable processes, traceable quality, and intelligent decisions from customer management, order, acceptance to product delivery. From demand consultation, customized solution design, to production, delivery, and acceptance. And then to after-sales installation and commissioning, technical training, preventive maintenance, and 24-hour emergency response. We provide professional, efficient, and comprehensive services, offering full-chain closed-loop support and one-stop solutions for global customers. 60 years of heritage. Our commitment remains unchanged. Forging ahead on the new journey, writing a new chapter. We got a better life with green intelligent manufacturing, leading the industry forward with responsibility. Reassure customers. Bring happiness to employees. And jointly build a new height of Chinese intelligent manufacturing. Victor, create brilliance with you.